Hello everyone, take different colors of fruit foam net and then cut it down the center. Then add a little thread to one side of it and then cut it up. Make multiple of these small pieces, add it on a stick, cut off the sides. Next, take some crepe paper, fold a little piece of it into half and then make multiple slits in it. Curve the edges, add tape to one of the sides and then roll it around a stick. Make sure that it's neatly put. Next, take any cylindrical object, take a wire, twist it around the cylindrical object to get a somewhat ovular shape. Put a little plastic piece of paper or plastic wrap around it and tie it up as such. Do this with multiple wires and then bend them as you need to. It'll look like a flower. Now take this little plastic sheet of paper or plastic wrap and then gather it together and wrap a wire around it. Spread it out as such and you should have a flower. Add green stem to it. Take a little straw, make a slit out of it, fold it into half and then open it out as such. Now take another straw, make a long slit through it and then spread it out slightly. Make a V shape cut on one of the ends. Take a little bag and then cut off the edge of it. Then add tape on one of the sides and then fold it into half horizontally. Make multiple slits on one of the sides, add tape to the other. Now wrap it around a little stem that we have made out of green as well. Take the straw and then cut out V-shaped sticks on one of the ends and stick it together. Take a wire, twist it one on top of the other, take multiple wires and then wrap them around. Then take a wooden stick, wrap the wire around this wooden stick and you should get a spring. Spread it out as such and then wrap it up. Next, take some fruit foam net and then cut out a little bit of it. Add tape to one of the ends and then make slits. Wrap this around the stem and then cut off the excess of it. Add little leaves out of crepe paper as well. Thank you for watching.